Ever wonder why your barista remembers your order, but a chatbot still struggles to book a simple appointment? Let's dive into the surprising science of which jobs AI is actually good at, and why some tasks will always need a human touch. The data shows AI isn't some magical one-size-fits-all tool. Think of it like a super smart assistant who's great at organizing your calendar, but would totally mess up your dinner party. Jobs involving clear rules or data, like answering questions, processing transactions, or analyzing spreadsheets, get a huge AI boost. But when tasks involve creativity, physical movement, or deep human connection, well, AI starts to stumble. Here's where the research gets fascinating. Scientists track something called intermediate work activities, the specific things people do like train a client or fix a car. They found AI is amazing at tasks like providing information or following strict procedures, but it falters when humans need adaptability, empathy, or hands-on skills. For example, a chef might get a lot of AI help with recipes, but no robot can perfectly plate a dish with the same flair as a human. Meanwhile, a personal trainer relies on real-time feedback and motivation, things AI can't replicate yet. Now let's unpack the methodology. Researchers used the ONET database, a comprehensive U.S. job classification system, to map out intermediate work activities, IWA, broad categories like analyze market trends or write reports. These IWAs span multiple professions, from scientists to marketers. To see how AI fits, they analyzed millions of interactions with GPT-4o, asking, which IWAs are users asking about? Which is the AI actually helping with? But here's the catch, AI isn't perfect. The team validated results with human experts to ensure accuracy. They created an AI applicability score, a metric measuring how well AI can assist with a task. This isn't just about frequency, it's about success rate. For example, if AI consistently helps with a task and does it well, that job scores high. The results? Jobs requiring knowledge work, like research, writing, or communication, see the biggest AI impact. Think engineers, data scientists, or teachers. Their AI scores average 0.27. Even roles with less education, like sales or office work, show high potential because AI excels at tasks like drafting emails or analyzing data. But manual labor, like fixing machinery or handling equipment, scores much lower. Here's the twist, this isn't about AI replacing jobs. It's about redefining collaboration. The study found AI isn't replacing humans, but augmenting their abilities. Think of it as a coach or advisor, not a replacement. For instance, a nurse might use AI to analyze patient data, but the human touch in diagnosis and care remains irreplaceable. But there's a caveat. The research focused on one AI platform, Bing Copilot, and its data may not reflect broader AI usage. Plus, the ONET database is US-centric, which might limit its global applicability. And while AI can automate tasks, full task completion is still far from perfect. So what does this mean for the future? It's not about fear, it's about teamwork. From farm workers to home health aides, AI's role is evolving. The key isn't to fear automation, but to ask, where does a machine's precision meet a human's unique skills? Next time you see AI at work, think, is this a task a robot could do or something only a person can handle? The answer might just reshape how we think about the future of work. What do you think? Are you excited about AI's potential or worried about its limits? Let me know in the comments, because the conversation is just starting.